What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Today, I am checking out Pog to Tag, the documentary. This is going to be part 2. If you guys haven't seen the first part, go check those out. If you want to see our content earlier than anybody else, then anybody else on YouTube, check out our members area. Link in the description below. Also, if you want to be a patron, have your own requests, go over to our Patreon account. Link in the description below as well. You can check out the tiers, see which one to get requests. 1 a month, 2 a month. Check those out. Become a patron today as well. But this documentary so far, the first 10, I watched like 14 minutes, I think, in the first part. It was really cool. It was awesome. I thoroughly enjoyed it. SB19 is an amazing group. If you do not know SB19, you gotta check them out. They are amazing. So it's really cool that there's a documentary. So I'm checking that out right now. It's just been amazing so far. We didn't get really a lot so far. They were at where they were setting up for their concert. They did a lot of the background stuff and they were setting up a little bit of rehearsal, stuff like that. And we got a little bit like interviews with them and stuff like that, but not a lot so far. So I'm gonna hop back into it. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's do it.
Maganda na yung background.
Like I said, if you haven't seen SB19, you gotta check them out.
Yeah.
You can be blown away.
Hindi, lahat, halo-halo. May PS1.
What is that?
Regalo liste.
Regalo liste, lang nga naman ng birthday gift list sa'yo.
Nandito lahat, pati
Nandiyan
PS.
lahat ng games.
Meron dyan yung mga Marvel vs. Capcom, SNA and SK vs. Capcom. Meron dyan Mortal Kombat.
May PS1, no?
Oo.
Sabihan mo nga rin style bili
Oh, so it has a bunch of preloaded games on there. That's awesome.
Ito po yung mga bagong tracks for the tour, kaya po ako nag-request ng music review para marinig niyo po at hindi po kayo mabigla.
Intro, live pa, tapos ending lang. Yun lang. Tsaka yung sa
So,
chorus.
intro and ending only. Live band. Okay.
Yung ilaw, may sound din sa ilaw. Pero pinakinggan namin, okay naman.
Ay, ang concern ko lang baka kasi iba yung...
I like how involved they are in setting everything up.
Kaya niyo bang sumabay dun sa Pao? Sa paa?
Parang hindi pa kuya. Sige, okay lang. Everybody have a body go missing. Sige nga po.
Try natin, cross nyo.
Di nyo ba ako namimiss? Ay, drama pa naman ako dito kuya.
Being so dramatic here.
Hindi, pangit naman pag di nyo ba ako namimiss? Ay, wala naman kapiling-piling yun.
He's right.
And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's join. Labas ka ata konti-konti. 2, 7, 8.
That was awesome.
Gimi nga mo ba sa amo Medyo kasi malamig!
Yeah!
Sino did food kasama namin last Wyatt?
Tama! Ang galing ah! Tama ba yun? Oo, tama. Pwede din naman. Mas maganda yung
Wali.
Pero ito na lang yung mes ko, no?
Actually, okay lang na isa.
Oh, di ba?
Oo.
Ganda. Kunin mo.
Sabi niya sa akin, kamali ka dito, no? Tapos tinuloy ko na lang. Tapos, sorry Snow sorry. Tao kasi ako minsan yung problema. Joke lang.
Nanginginig ako ito.
Ano ka ba yan? Concentration ka ba?
Oo, parang ganun.
Ayan na naman tayo, Pao. Anong mangyayari?
Pablo's nervous. I don't see why, man. These guys do amazing every time.
Let's go, Pao.
Their outfits look great. They really do. This is cool watching this documentary too. You get to see some of their personalities. You know, I haven't seen a lot of them behind the scenes, so I don't know a lot of how their personalities are. I like Ken's jacket.
Grabe yung energy nyo, grabe. Kakatapos na mag-perform pero nabalik yung agad yung energy namin. Thank you, AT.
Oh, I missed one.
One, two, three, four. Chorus.
What happens? You okay? Oh, he's congested. Okay. I was like, I didn't know if he hit his mouth or what happened.
Kaya ano, pilit kami, pilit.
Pilit natin.
One, two, three, four.
That's gotta be tough.
Ang one thing na super concern namin is yung quality din ng show namin. And nung nalaman nga namin yung US tour, parang syempre may mga bagay na dapat i-sacrifice. Unang-una is yun nga wala nga yung scouts.
Siguro kasi tinitig namin to as parang nagiging trabaho, responsibility. Minsan napapagod. Pero pag nakikita namin kayo na binibigay niyo yung best nyo, na-hype ako, na-uplift nyo.
Hindi man kayo makakasama dun sa US tour namin, sa Canada tour namin. Dala-dala namin kayo dito sa heart namin. Hopefully in the future, magawa natin siya kasama tayo lahat kasi mas malakas tayo pagsama-sama.
Kasi pag nakita ko kayo, Kasi pag nakikita ko kayo, parang mas na-inspire ako, improve pa yung sarili ko. Happy ako na merong ganitong family. Tapos, na-establish pa yung scouts. Yan. Thank you kay Jay.
That really sucks they can't go.
We came from a big
I wonder why.
company. Mayaman yung kampanya namin
Okay.
to show the fans nung pinaka the best na show na magbigay namin sa kanila to make them happy. But unfortunately,
There's a money thing.
hindi namin kaya this time.
Galing tayo sa simula hanggang sa pinakadulo, panatilihin natin yung puso nating gutom sa pagpapasok.
Gaya nito, may
They'll
sakit
get there.
Justin. Bigyan natin yan. Bigay niyo pa yung best niyo.
Kaya na po yung kumanta.
Let's go!
Get those three, 1, 2, 3!
Kung ano lang yung meron at kaya mo ibigay, yun na lang. Basta yung performance namin, 100% pa din.
She's working the camera. Man, those dancers are working that camera.
Boses robot na ako. I believe I survived.
Man, that's got to be the toughest thing to go out there and perform, being all congested and stuff like that, having like a cold. That's got to be hard.
Na sa show. Kasi nag-iba tayo lahat ng tunog, ng visuals, ng setup.
Ang resolution ko na doon ay mag-set tayo na session with David, with you, or kung sino man. And then with Bene, for the Q-Lab, yung mga kailangan i-adjust mo, ano yung kailangan tanggalin bago mag-international. Very important yun na mas malinis yung music natin sa international.
Yung world tour, pinlan na talaga siya before pa magawa yung album. Kasi yun nga, sabi nila, maganda yung naging response nung unang tour. Kaya pala mag-world tour. Meron pala kaming mga audiences din na pwedeng manood.
Man, they look badass in that promo video.
Lamig kasi kahapon. Di tayo ready kahapon eh, no? Biglang ang lamig. Kala ko naman, yung hangin malamig lang. Pero, yung lamig.
Parang favorite ko to.
Ako gusto ko to kasi malamig.
Oo, kasi parang yung perfect yung weather dito eh. Parang hindi sobrang init, hindi sobrang lamig. Saktong-sakto lang. Kaya parang lagi ka relax. Sa Texas, grabe. Matindi pa sa matindi pa sa Pilipinas.
Really?
Talagang susunogin yung balat mo.
I'd have never thought.
34? 34? Tapos umabot 36? Tama ba yun? Makainit. I can't.
I'm in Florida and I know it's hot here. It is very hot, but I don't mind the heat. It's very hard to find that place where the temperature is perfect.
Pero uneasy. Kasi alam ko 2 araw na magkasunod. So walang pahinga. Siyempre excited to do a great show. Kasi pag nawala yun, parang walang soul kapag nag-perform eh.
That makes sense.
Good. It's a tayo.
Mag-perform kami ngayon sa Redwood City sa Fox Theater. So, hope to see you guys there and let's have some fun. Let's go.
One, two, check. Check, one. Check.
May nangyari kaguluhan.
Para tayo nagti-team building sa Pansol. Iniikot siya sa kilikili, ate.
Hindi.
Bandang gitna ring yun.
Ito, ipasok mo to dyan.
Ito na yung, nasa leeg niya eh. Oh, masaya to. Ganito ang mga gusto namin. Nagsusolve ng problem. Ayun na.
Ay, ang galing talaga ni Justin de Jos.
That would be crazy figuring out where everything goes with
Ito
that.
yun eh.
Basta pag pwede na isuot, pwede na yun.
Ganito na siya.
Suot mo.
Ito ate.
Tapos yung likod.
Yan.
Almost like it should be labeled. That's crazy.
Tapos, imagine mo maraming tanong.
Ginagawa mo pa rin ba yung pag kinakabahan ka, ini-imagine mo nakaubad yung mga tao? Hindi.
I-imagine ko ako yung nakaubad. Siguro yung difference, kasi yung first time namin nung nag-world tour kami, hindi pa talaga namin alam yung market. Tama naman, may mga Filipino all over the world and meron din mga US 18 na talagang nakasuporta sa amin. Pero this time around, parang mas tina-target namin yung mga casuals na talagang magiging potential na meet siya papunta dun sa pinaka-ultimate goal namin na yun nga, makilala yung SB19 all over the world.
Tapos mapa. Same. Tapos magmo-move lang.
The fans will keep coming. You guys are amazing. SB19 is such an amazing group that their fan base is going to keep growing and growing and growing. It's never going to stop. They will reach their ultimate goal, that is for sure.
May ibang parts na parang hindi siya hindi siya naka-flat. Parang nakalobo.
Kailangan babalikan mo siya mamaya.
Gusto to.
Yung pag-perform dito nakakakaba kasi nga may mga international fans. Though fully converted na sila bilang 18, syempre they will do their best para makakuha pa ng ibang fans, friends nila, family na isasama nila sa concert namin. Syempre mas double yung kaba namin kasi dapat yung mga taong dinala nila na curious fans lang or casual, dapat ma-convert namin sila into someone na possible maging 100% 18 or parang listener lang ng music namin.
SB, let's go.
Tara.
I can see why they're nervous now. I never thought about that. Performing for casual fans or like new fans.
Almost full yung...
You gotta do your best.
Hanggang taas meron. In-open talaga yung taas kasi sobrang daming manonood for San Francisco. So puno na. Let's go. Let's do this.
Awesome. All right, we'll go ahead and stop it there. But I tell you what, this is an awesome documentary. And what I'm really excited for is that, you know, like when they were having Ken and Pablo do some steps on the stage earlier, you know, I don't really know these guys, their personalities, because I've never really seen them a lot behind the scenes and stuff like that. Seen a little bit, but not a lot. So it's really going to be cool to see their personalities come out, you know, through this documentary. But I tell you what, they are putting the work in here. You can see Pablo was like steaming his own outfit and stuff like that. And you could see he was kind of a little bit aggravated that the wrinkles weren't coming out. And he was working at it, trying to get them out. And, you know, just everything they go through. And I never thought about, you know, them being nervous to perform in this kind of way. You know, I always thought when, you know, oh yeah, are you kind of nervous to perform? I'm always thinking, you know, that they're nervous because they might not do a good job. And I know every performer wants to do the best they can, so they always think about that, but they kill it every time. But I see where they could be nervous is that, you know, not for, you know, like A10, you know, because they know those fans are going to be those fans forever. But for casual fans and new fans that have never seen them before, they're performing for them for the first time. So I could see them being nervous and wanting to do their best job, like over the top best performance to make sure they don't let those fans down that came. Because I feel if they feel they let those fans down, that they're going to waste that fan's time and that fan's money for the ticket they bought. So I could see where they would be nervous and, you know, feel a lot of pressure doing that. But you know what? These guys, they kill it every time. So it's like, even when they were talking about, there was like miscues and stuff when they were talking to the team earlier, I didn't see any. Maybe it didn't show it, but I tell you what, these guys are amazing. They do their best every time. I've never seen anything less than their best, and I've been watching them for a very long time. And it's so cool to watch them like to where they are here in this this documentary here, which was just come from a couple years ago. You know, to where they were when I first started watching them to where they are now. So it's really cool to see the progression and how much they've worked to get where they are, and they will achieve their ultimate goal. That is for sure. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. The next part's coming soon, so make sure you come back for that. If you haven't checked out the first part, you should have checked out before this one. That way you're checking them out in order. And if you haven't seen my reaction to SB19, there'll be a card throughout the video here. It might have been in the beginning, but go check that out. All those reactions to SB19, it's amazing. But thank you guys for watching. If you like that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not a part of J2R family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.